Here are some clips from January 12th, 2026 from the live stream on Rumble showing the train show haul from the Deland train show. You can see everything a lot earlier if you come on over to Rumble, because now I'm streaming exclusively on Rumble. No more Workbench Wednesdays on YouTube. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you can see it down there on the ticker, 7 p.m. on Rumble. You can see all the information in the description down below. So here is the train show haul that I did in the live stream. So enjoy. She got more than me, so okay, here we go for the train show haul. All right, there you go. I got the big wide screen for this one here. Okay, so we got there about maybe 3 minutes after 9, and I'm over there going up the first row, and before 9:30, I think it was about 9:25, I look up and there's Debbie. She's holding 2 bags up of goodies. Oh, I see Debbie got a bag full of stuff already. There she is. Look at that. All right. What'd you get, baby?
For a quarter.
All that for a quarter? Oh, yeah? All right. You want me to take that back to the van?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's one bag. Here's the other bag. And I said, you know, she always goes to Zetnik's bargain stuff at the beginning, the 25-cent table. I said, how much did you spend? She said, $2.75. Oh my goodness. Okay, the bargain table over there. It's come out with 2 big old bags. So she got this big old ceramic house here that she's going to paint up. It looks like a cookie jar or something. I'm not going to try it because it looks like it was, oh yeah, it's taped. So it's a cookie jar, a house. So, made in Italy, Mercer. So she says she's going to paint it up and decorate it and all kind of good stuff. Okay, let me put that back in the bag. Oh, okay. She knew. Okay. All right. I didn't know that. Here's the other bag of goodies. Okay, a bag within a bag. Oh, she got a soldering iron. Oh, my goodness. Oh my goodness, what is my baby going to do with a soldering iron? Oh boy. Here's another bag, a candy cane, a Christmas ornament. Another smaller ceramic one. It's got a light bulb inside. Oh. Got a LED inside, but it needs a battery. Let's see what kind of battery it takes. Probably one of those little... oh, man. That's a small battery right there. Okay. I've seen them before, but I don't know what size they are. But there's a little LED that lights it up in that little itty bitty house. Okay, right there. Here's another one. It's got, you know, the hole in it. Another house right there. WW Winchester Western Railroad. There you go. Railroad crossing. P for Precious. Put a little angel on there and a little looks like teddy bear. This is a train show. Another angel. I guess this is all Zitniks. Okay. A bag of artificial coal with no coal in it, unless it fell out. No coal in it. And a Lionel Lines 6057 caboose. Dust and all. Okay, all that for a total of $2.75. She's spending big time, but that's not all she got. She was sitting out at the tables outside waiting for me, and she had I won't show you yet, I won't tell you yet, but she had these sitting on a table. Hold on a second, let me get it. Gotta put these things back over here. Now, I see these out there, and I had no idea what they were for, but she got two of these. They were sitting on the table right out in front where, you know, they have all the tickets for the future train shows and everything. And she asked about it, and they said, well, they're free. And she says, can I have both of them? And I said, yeah. So she got two of these, and these are the kind, you know, that have little dividers in it. It's Magnum by Plano. It has a Walmart tag on it for $9.96. In good shape, and in one of them it has a looks like HO scale. Where was it? Uh-oh, what happened to it? Where's in the other one? Hold on. Hey, baby, what did you do with the trailer that was in there? Oh, she took it out of her. No, she had a little mobile home in there. Yeah. I'm showing what you got. She's gonna bring it. Okay. But she got them both of them for free. So she made out like a bandit there. Okay, then there's the stuff that I got, and I stopped. It was like the third row, and I stopped at Gunny's place, and I always get some cool stuff from him all the time. I don't think I got his card here. I think I put it up here. Gunny's tables. All right.
How you doing, sir?
All right. See what kind of goodies you got this time.
I'm still bringing stuff out.
All right.
How you doing, bud? How are you? Can't complain. The new year is going good.
Gunny's Trains and Toys. Oh, there she is. Oh, she's not coming. Come on over here and show what you got. Yeah, come on over here. No, you come on over here.
Yeah.
Come on over. Yeah, there you go. Okay. See, there you go. See? All right.
Whoop.
That was free. That was inside the thing.
What they say about everything being free, I got.
They didn't say anything yet.
Well, they were sitting there.
Yeah, she said, okay, it's free. Okay, so there it is. Okay, there it is, right there. Let me put that back in there. Okay. So, and then I'll show you what I got from Gunny. And this thing has dividers where you could take them out because I just put that in made a long one out of it. Okay, so I can't resist getting tweezers. These were $4. And, you know, after coming out of there, I said, didn't I get a set of these one time before? And so okay, I got to look around for them. But 4 tweezers. Inscribed with Chinese stuff on it, but short, but look pretty good. Okay, $4 for those. Hey, Rob, good to see you in here. We're doing the train show haul right here. Okay, and also these set of tweezers right here, $10 in a nice case. And I think these are anti-static ones from what he was saying. So, and I showed this to Debbie while she was sitting out there, and she says, "Oh, I need a pair like that." It's time to go over to see the trains. Debbie's been patiently waiting over here, and I had to go. Yeah. And so I had to get her another set of tweezers. She's seen the one I had, so I went back and got another set. So we're heading over there to see all the trains. So I had to go back in and get another one. So I got her one too. Just like it. Same thing. So she's got one too. All right, so. So looked all around, all over the place, and I could not find anything else that I needed. Or, well, I wanted a lot of things, and I said, well, you know, but they had, I don't know where they got all these plastic kits from, but they had a lot of old plastic kits. All kind of totes full of stuff.
Yeah, but that's a must. Yeah. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Have a good day. Thank you. Yeah.
You just don't want to hold, like, you know, if you're trying to hold it together and get your pieces to bond, you know, people fall apart.
Yeah, they do. Could you give me that right there?
This one?
Yeah.
DPM gold.
To get these all the time.
Do you have a price on these?
What's that?
Do you have a price on these?
You just talk to the guy. He'll
I don't see any prices on any of this.
No, you just talk guy. He'll cut you a good deal.
Yeah. I hate plastic. It looked pretty nice, but I said, I hate plastic. I mean, I've been working on this plastic kit for like 6 weeks now, and I've been just dragging my feet on it because I hate it so much. But here's the stuff I got from Gunny. Gunny Trains and Toys I get from him all the time. BRSTrains3 at gmail.com. His name's Steve Foster, 904-563-7245. Right there. Okay. So that is it for the train show stuff. Train show haul. There you go. All right. Didn't get anything else. I looked at a lot of stuff, but a lot of things were tempting, but that I left it at that. So didn't spend too much. So a total of $24 on that, plus $18 for admission, and then Debbie spent $275, and plus we went to Buc-ee's afterwards. So. Well, we're here at Buc-ee's eating our chopped brisket sandwich. All right, good. Already got gas, $2.59 here. Debbie almost had a heart attack because the sign outside said $1.59.
It did. It did.
I know. Until we got to the pump, it said $2.59. We made out like we didn't spend that much, and gas was cheap, so probably spent more on the tolls going back and forth through Orlando than anything else. So there we go. There is the train show hall. No, yeah, there wasn't any. They didn't have any wood buildings. I mean, they had a few of the Blair line, but they were nothing that I wanted, and everything else was plastic, and I don't want to do any more plastic buildings. I got, I still have a lot of plastic that I need to put together, and when I finish this one here that I'm working on now, it's going back to wood. I don't want no more plastic. No, there you go. No more plastic. Okay. All right. So here we go. That's it for the train show hall. I do all the train shows and everything, so I always announce that. So there you go. January 24th. Hope to see you there.